on the way home. We are passing the MWSS Regulatory Office. Opisina ng mga taga-water works. This is the outside part. We've been in Mercado by some meats and some grocery. We are heading now to La Vista. This is the situation outside the subdivision. It's a kind of traffic, but can manage. And that's the other part. We are going to U-turn in 200 meters. Ang daming mga pasuhay. There is a tricycle. And Erwin, say hi. Say hi to my vlog, Erwin.
Hello. Traffic. Traffic is real.
This is our driver. Our pogi driver. In the antique trees. Wala masyadong magandang ano dito. Tricycle driver. Okay, bye for now. I'm going to hear music. Bye bye.